Psychology services at Scottish Rite have been an important part of the care team for many years. I think that's a real testament to the way that this organization values having psychological support be part of the care for children.
I know we're technically an orthopedic hospital, but what we found over years of both clinical work and research is that treating the whole child, including their emotions, we tend to have better outcomes, and families tend to be much happier with their outcomes after surgery or after some sort of non-surgical treatment.
As a psychology department, we proudly always say that we are evidence-based, which means that we will only provide interventions that have been rigorously studied, scientifically studied, so that we know that this can have maximum impact.
We have psychology services available at both our Dallas and Frisco campuses. We provide telehealth services. We also do our best to embed services whenever possible within clinics. So when patients are already coming for visits with other providers here, we try to meet their needs by embedding psychology services within some of those clinic visits when we can. And in addition, we see patients throughout their inpatient stays here and try to round and kind of connect with them on a daily or weekly basis when they're here with us in-house.
At Scottish Rite, we very much value a interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary team. We know there are so many factors that affect a child's recovery, rehabilitation, just overall well-being. And so in treating the whole child, we really take that holistic approach. Our providers are all dedicated to making sure that each child gets the individualized care that they need. You know, not everybody needs a psychologist, but we're here and available. Not everybody needs a physical therapist, but they're here and available. And so the ability to kind of pull in those specialty experts when they're needed, I feel like is a big advantage that families have when they come to Scottish Rite.
What I've noticed about Scottish Rite that makes this hospital a special hospital is that if there's a way that the professional can help the family or can help the patient, they kind of go the extra mile to help that patient and the patient family in whatever way they can.
It just is amazing to know that people care so much and that we work together to come to that.